Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this video we are going to know how to create the custom button. So these are my buttons. So we create one button and we can use that button in everywhere in our project. So let's start with the practical. So this is my login. See, I already run my project. So first I'm going to create the component. So I'm going to my SRC folder. So like this, first we are going to the component, and inside the component I have atoms, and there I already create the one button, but I'm not using that button, and we are using the JavaScript. So just JavaScript. Now I import my all required things. So this is my custom button. So first I'm going to import the button and login screen. So this is my login screen and custom button, and you can see, so this is my custom button with the name of custom button, you can see. So now I'm going to implement the styling in the custom button. So this is my styling. I'm removing the view also. You don't need the view because we are taking the touchable opacity. Import from the React Native. First I'm going to import the image from the React Native, and then I'm going to import the text also. So our button have a text also, and so this is my text. So first I'm going to so this is my text also. Let me type the text, and see, we have a text also. So now I'm going to my Figma and download the icons. So these are my icons. First I'm going to download the icons. Instagram also, the last one, Instagram. So now we are going to our code. So this is my code, and now I'm going to import the images. I will put the images in my images folder. So just open this, and this is my images, and just copy these images and paste it. So now I'm going to the image path. If you don't know about the folder structure of the React Native in other things also, so I will attach the links and below this video. So this is my image path. So now I'm going to copy the previous one and just we are pasting. First I'm going to apple, copy the apple and just paste, and we can see the apple icon here. For this you can use the extension, and then I'm going to import the Facebook one. I import the Facebook. This is, but name should be Facebook IC. So and then I'm going to import the Google also, get also. So this is the get one, and just copy the name, paste, and get IC. So this is my Microsoft. Window. So the window, we have another also. So this is the Google one. So let me, so this is my last one, the Google. Just copy paste, just cut the image path. So now we are going to the image and go to this is my button screen. So first I'm going to import the text also. So this is my text. Just copy the text and come here, paste, and also image also. So let me show you. Source, image path. We have an icon, and the below of the icon we have a name of the sign in with the Google. So now I'm going to create assign the styling also. BTN style. First we are going to create the flex direction, and then we are going to align item center. And this is my button. Let's go. See, this is one line. So now I'm going to the image also, image styling, image. So this is my image style. Width, I'm using the moderate scale also, 24, and height also moderate scale, 24. Just copy this and give the styling to the image icon. So now I'm going to let me go into the login screen, and here we just take one view and just I'm applying the style, align item center, and just align item center, and also a little bit space from the margin top. So now we are going to give the styling to the button. So this is my button, see. So we have like a padding horizontal, red scale, it's like a 50. And we have a padding vertical, it's a 16. And have a border width 1. So this is our border width. And also we need a border radius 16. It's like 20. Yeah, 40, 50. The border radius should be 50. Let me give in moderate. So this is 50. And now I'm giving the styling to the text also. Text style. And just come here and just font size. I'm using the scale, and the font style is 16. The font size is 16, and font family medium. And also we need the margin left also a little bit, 6. We need a margin left 16. And also a color. So this is my color. So see, we create the button, but we need to border color also, border color. And just come here, and this is our border color. Copy the border color, and we have the border color also. So also I create the one file with the name of the theme, and I paste the all color, btn border color. I just paste the all color in here, and then I import from this light dot color in btn. So see, like this we can create the button in React Native. So now we are making this button reusable and everywhere. So for that we are going to pass the props. First we are going to pass the props for the title, button title, and image source, and also on press. We need a on press also. On press. So just come here, and for the title, we just remove this title and pass title. And for the image path, just copy this and come here. On press, we can also copy the on press and just come to the your button on press. You can see. So now we do not have anything. See, we just only have the structure of the button. So just go to the your button. So this is my button. So first I'm going to import the image path dot Google, and also title, and just copy the title of the button and paste it, and we can see the button. Pass the on press and just pass the alert Google. If you click, we can see Google. Now I'm going to create another button also. Just copy your component and just paste and paste. So we have a 3. And also I will show you another thing also. Let me import the Facebook. So this is the Facebook. Also copy the Facebook and just come here, Facebook, and we need to Apple also. So this is for the Apple. Copy the text of the Apple, and also we need a Microsoft, Windows, and also copy the text for the Windows. Just come here, and also we need a get also. See the get icon, and just copy the get text. So now we are going to pass the styling also, custom styling also, and just click on your button. So this is my button. We can define the width also, just 100%. This is my width, and just come here and margin horizontal. We need a margin horizontal, moderate scale, 50. It's too much, 20. See? But now we need to, so we pass the width in the styling, so we have similar size of the button. So now I'm going to pass the bottom space also in the button. So for that I'm going to here just pass margin bottom, just copy this, come here and just press the spread operator, 3 dot, and then margin bottom, and just pass your margin bottom and come to your login screen. So in here just type the margin bottom and just moderate scale, we need 20, just copy and pass in every button, 20, 20, 20. GitHub, and just now I'm going to change the on press also, Office, Apple. So Facebook. See, first we have a Google, and then we have a Facebook, and we have a Apple, and we have a Office, and we have a GitHub. So like this we can create the custom button in React Native, and we can also reuse that button and everywhere, and we can also apply any action if you want. This is for today, and see you in next video.